today's topic is drugs. Drug is a chemical substance that many of them are similar to the chemicals that are already present in our body. These drugs alter the way of transmission of nerve impulses in the nerve cells and the way of receiving and sending of these impulses in the body. These drugs alter these ways in different way. Number one is the imitating the brain natural chemical messenger. Means some drugs are like the neurotransmitter and having the same structure as a neurotransmitter. So it like the marijuana and heroin that have the same structure as a neurotransmitter. So it pulls the brain cells, receptors and alter or active the nerve cells by sending fast messages, and the result of which a person feels high. Number two is by overstimulating the reward circuit of the brain. Because of the presence of or secretion of large amount of chemical messenger, this can stimulate the body, in the result of which the body becomes more active and more confident. Number third way is flooding of the brain with excess chemical. Some drugs or chemicals activate the nerve cells to release more neurotransmitter, in the result of which the nerve impulses are shut off because of these neurotransmitters, and in the result a person feels high or feel more confident and alert, like caffeine, amphetamine and nicotine. Similarly, the other way of drug affecting on the body is binding to receptor in the brain. Some receptors come and bind with the drug come and bind with the receptor, in the result of which there is no space for the neurotransmitter to bind with receptor, and in the result of which nerve conduction is shut off and a person nerve cannot be reaches to the next neuron, in the result of which person may be feel depressed or maybe feel sleepy or drowsy. Because of the effect of these different type of drugs, the drugs have been divided into different 5 groups. Number one is the stimulant. Stimulants are those drugs that speed up the body activity and that affect the nervous system, and in the result of which a person feels more confident and more active. The examples of stimulants are caffeine, amphetamines and nicotine. Another group is depressant. Depressants are those drugs that slow down the activity of the brain or nerve cells, in the result of which a person feels sleepy, less anxious, dependent on drug, and the examples of this type of drug are alcohol, cannabis and barbiturates. Third group of drug is narcotics, that is not very good for the body, and as a antidepressant work as painkiller and bring feeling of drowsy and well-being and euphoria. Heroin brings drug dependent in the users. Examples are heroin and marijuana. Analgesic are those drugs that are used for the used as a mild painkiller, and the example of analgesic is aspirin and paracetamol. Hallucinogens in another group of another group of drug that is used for the alternation of passage of impulse to brain, causing unusual sensation. Example is LSD and some salt. Not all the drugs are useful for the body. Some drugs are harmful for the body and is considered as an abuse drug. Medicines are those chemical drugs that are used to treat any disorder and illness in the body. But some drugs that do not good for the health and is used as a just for pleasure or just for the for feeling good and is used casually. Some drugs are considered as social acceptable, like alcohol and nicotine in cigarette. These drugs are used occasionally, but later on the person can be dependent on it, and in the result it may be cause very serious effect on the body, like alcohol. Alcohol cause various serious effect on the body, like it affects emotional center of the forebrain. In the result, it acts as a depressant and overrules normal social state. Similarly, high concentration of alcohol may depress the life supporting center in the medulla, in the result of which brain cells start to die and it may lead to the death of a person. As well as it also affects on the liver. You know that liver is the detoxification center, and in the result of the alcohol consumption, liver work harder, and in the result of which liver cirrhosis may occur in the person, and liver does not function efficiently, and various metabolic activities that are take place in the liver and stop, and it lead to the death of a person. Similarly, alcohol also affect on the blood flow in the skin. It dilates the blood vessel in the skin, in the result of which more warm blood flow in the skin, and it may lead to the hypothermia in the low temperature of the environment. Alcohol also affect on the kidney. Kidney absorb less water, in the result of which more water is excreted out from the body, and body may become dehydrated. Mouth cancer and esophagus cancer is also can also be occur in the body because of the alcohol, as well as alcohol also cause various harmful effects in the digestion and in the intestine. It irritates intestine and cause vomiting like feeling, and may result in the improper ingestion and nausea and diarrhea. So all these are because of the impact of alcohol. Similarly, nicotine also that is present in the cigarette and socially accepted by the society also shows harmful effect directly or indirectly on the person. It affects in the lung, and it may be harmful for the body, and it lead to the lung cancer or emphysema. Other various drugs like solvent may work by dissolving away part of membrane surrounding the nerve cells as a cell burst, in the result of which pleasure sensation feels by the person. If the solvent is aerosol, then it can constrict or can less decrease the cooling effect of the lungs, in the result respiratory system, in the result of which breathing tube and no air reaches to the lung. Nicotine, as I have told you that it affects on the nervous system and having a concern with the heartbeat and blood pressure. As well as it also causes the lung cancer in the person. Heartbeat can be affected by the alcohol because of the deposition of it enhance the deposition of fat within the coronary artery. In the result of which it may lead to the heart attack. Narcotics is a mimic the action of body's natural painkiller give pleasure cells. Hallucinogen upset the normal memory pathway in the association areas of that are normal stimulus may connect to an unusual response and the user may experience. If a person abuse the drug, then it may be very hard for it to withdraw with it. Because when he tried to withdraw with it, then he may show very serious effects on their body, like very severe pain in the intestine after every 4 hours, and he feels very uncomfortable and very unpleasant when he want to withdraw with any such type of abuse drug. So drug is very harmful for our body. So we have to be keep away from all this type of thing that may lead to the death. I hope you got the idea about the drug. In the next lecture, we will study about the various disorders that are associated with nervous system. Thank you.